Here is the trap the SAT sets on linear functions. F of x equals 5 and f of 5 look almost identical. They are not the same request. The first gives you an output and wants the input. The second gives you an input and wants the output. Reading which one they handed you before you start is the whole skill, and you have Desmos on every math question. Graph the function, click the point, confirm your answer sits on the line. If it does not, you caught the mistake before it cost you. HIROSCORE shows you exactly what to work on, so none of this slips through. Help us test our beta and build something different and better. HIROSCORE.com, spelled with an I, address is in the profile. You show up, we do the rest.